my name is Gela, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this easy star shape toast. First, I'm making 4 symmetrical cuts. Make sure you don't cut too close to previous cut, so it holds the pressure well when we bend bread. Now I'm almost ready to shape my star. Each pointed end we need tuck in next cut. You can try make cuts wider, closer to center, but it will be less space on the middle to serve other food inside the toast. We can serve our fancy bread cups as is or fill with egg salad, tuna salad, crab salad. Possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my new videos.